Hey guys, this is Galactalina. She is a cactus doll that lives on the moon. And this is the little pot that she lives in, which is also a UFO. And the dirt is gray because it's moon dirt. This is the last step to finishing her. And then there is a moon charm that goes on her head like that, and it's actually a piece of jewelry from a craft store. And I'm going to show you how I attach this onto the doll after, you know, the head's already closed up, everything is assembled together. It was an afterthought when I made her. I thought it would be a good idea to show, in case you think of adding something like this, how I did it. You're going to need scissors, a pin to kind of hold the moon or the piece in place, and obviously a needle. And I used gray thread so that it matched close to the charm and it doesn't stand out, because you will see, you know, a tiny bit of the stitch. Okay, first you want to thread the needle. You don't need a whole lot. I pull way more than I need and I double it. So one time I pull like this, and then I grab it and I do the same length again. So I end up with 2 times the length that I need. And then I cut it. Then thread the needle. Then you take your 2 ends, take your pinky, wrap this around your pinky twice like that, and kind of crisscross it like that. Okay, and then you sort of roll it off of your pinky. So roll it down, roll it down, roll it down. You end up with this little mess. Pinch it and pull up, and there you go, you have a knot that's not going to come out. Next, take your charm that you're adding, decide where you want it. For this specific pattern, I have it on the 6th row down from her head. Let's use the pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want it onto this row, and I kind of want it straight up from her eye and a little left, because that hole right there, you can actually put the pin right in there like that. Then I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to go into the stitch, or go right above where the row that I want it on. So this is row 6 right here. I'm going to put my needle in between row 5 and 6. I'm going to take this pin out because I already have it marked. I'm just going to come up from here to right below row 6. So this is row 6. My pin is between row 5 and 6, and I'm going to come up right here. If you need a thimble or something so you don't stab your finger, do that. And you see that big knot? It's going to go away, so don't worry about that. I'm going to thread the needle through the moon, through the charm. Okay, so that's where it's going to be. And then I'm going to pull that knot up a little bit and go. This is why I do a double thread, so that it actually has this loop here, and that's actually how I tie a knot. So I go between that and pull it tight. But now you got this big old knot sticking out on her head. So I take like a regular yarn needle, like one of these, and I just use the end, or anything really, to kind of squish that knot inside. Okay, so while you pull that tight, go back. You want to come underneath and come out through this hole again. So kind of like go through a bit of the yarn and then come out through that hole like this. So now you've gone through the hole 2 times. Helps to keep it tight. And then you just want to tie this off, again holding it nice and tight. Kind of go behind the moon and underneath it like that. Pull that through. And before you pull it all the way, you're going to go through the loop again. And when you pull that tight, now you're adding another knot. And now you're going to go into the hole and just come out somewhere away from there. And be careful not to stab yourself with the needle. So there's my needle. I'm going to pull that out. Just like you do when you're trying to hide the yarn inside when you attach pieces. And then just take your scissors, cut that, pull a little tight, and then cut. And that's it. And now you have something attached that you put on after you already closed up the doll. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching.